welcome back. Today we are going to talk about one of the most colorful birds around. So, let's go. It's the parrots. These amazing birds are known for their intelligence and vibrant colors. Parrots are incredibly intelligent animals. Some species, like the African grey parrot, are considered to have matching abilities from humans. They can solve puzzles, recognize shapes, and even understand basic concepts. Another amazing thing about parrots is their lifespan. Many parrot species can live for decades. Some, like the macaw, can live for up to 50 years or more. This makes them lifelong companions for their owners.